Hello and welcome back to Bagista's YouTube channel where we talk about all things handbags. Today, as you can see, we've got a major Hermès unboxing for you. All these beautiful orange boxes are ready to be revealed for you, and I absolutely cannot wait to show you the goodies that are inside. So let's get started. Okay, let's start from the very top. We have this beautiful box. I honestly can't remember which one's which, so I'm finding out in real time with you. Okay, we have something very special here. Okay, here I have a very special Evelyn bag. Just wait until you see this color. The most beautiful pastel baby pink. This color is absolutely gorgeous. So this is an Evelyn in the TPM, which is the mini size, in beautiful Clemence leather in the color Mauve Sylvester, and we have palladium hardware. This is the most adorable everyday bag I think I've ever seen. This color is so perfect. It's great for all seasons, beautiful with denim as well as like darker colors. This is absolutely stunning. Evelyn, of course, comes with a matching crossbody strap, so it's a super comfortable everyday bag and very practical too. We love her. Okay, next, this is a very, very special one. I'm very excited to show you this. And it even comes in a special box. Hermès collectors, if you know, you know. This wasn't what I thought it was. Which means the next one up is very special. In the meantime, I have some beautiful shoes to show you. Here we have some Chypre sandals. Now, Hermès lovers, you know how hard it is to find these in your size, especially in baby pink suede. These Chypre sandals are in the most beautiful rose porcelain suede and in a size 37. And these are just the perfect summer companion. I can picture these strolling through Monaco on a sunny day. Okay. Now the one I've been waiting for. This is the one I've been very excited to show you. And we had some shoes in the meantime, but I know you've been waiting for this. So, now, as I was saying previously, before I was slightly interrupted by the Chypre sandals, Hermès collectors, if you know, you know. When you see navy blue, it's a good day to be alive. The most special, most rare, most highly coveted Hermès pieces, they come in a navy lined special edition blue box. So, you know there's going to be something very special in here. And all I have to say to you is, why put a deposit down on a house when you could own a picnic mini Kelly instead? This is truly a work of art, highly collectible, highly investable. This is truly a collector's dream and is highly coveted for a reason. The Picnic Kelly collection are the only bags from Hermès that actually are crafted by 2 different people. Every other Hermès bag is made by one person from start to finish. However, for the picnic, we have a master leather craftsman, and we also have a master wicker craftsman. So it involves 2 people to create this masterpiece. This is a work of art. And I mean, you could fit a sandwich in there for your picnics. It is called a picnic bag after all. She's rare, she's special, she's iconic, and she deserves the center place on your handbag shelf. Picnic Mini Kelly, ladies and gentlemen. My Hermès pile was so big that I actually had to have this one off camera. So we have a very special one to unbox for you now. Again, it's a special piece. Again, I can't wait to show you. I wonder if you can guess if this is a Birkin or a Kelly. Ready for the color reveal? I feel like a proud mother. Wow. Here, as you can see, we have the most phenomenal Kelly 28. This is a Kelly 28 in vert cypress alligator lease in the most beautiful, glossy, shiny finish with palladium hardware. And a little fun fact for you, this bag is actually a Verso bag, which means it has a different color interior. And the interior of this bag is stunning, vibrant jade green. So you can find your car keys quickly and easily against the bright interior. This bag has me a little bit starstruck. The color is so beautiful. It's almost black in some lights, and then the sunlight hits the color and it really glows this beautiful green color like an emerald. It's so beautiful. You can't go wrong with shiny alligator. It's a true collector's piece, true heritage from the brand, and it's something that will sit pride of place in your collection and you will treasure for decades. It's also very much giving boss bitch energy, and I'll tell you for a fact, Kris Jenner has one very, very similar, may even be the exact same. So if you want to channel your billionaire energy, this is how. No one will ever say no to you when you carry a bag this beautiful, I can tell you that. Okay, I don't know how anything can top that bag I just showed you, but I do have a few little goodies as well to show you, as well as one more special bag as a finale. So, we'll start with something little, and good things come in small boxes, ladies, like diamonds. It's like pass the parcel. This is a Constance slim wallet in the most gorgeous tri-color in Epsom leather. And as you can see, this specific one has very special hardware. This is enamel hardware in the color Natter with palladium accents. The combination of colors here is so beautiful. Also, the Constance Slim is such a great everyday wallet. It's big enough to fit much more than a card holder. You can fit every single card, loyalty card, everything you need in here, as well as any little jewelry items you have, any coins, anything like that. But it's also small enough that it will fit beautifully into most bags, maybe not a mini Kelly, but pretty much anything else. Also, fun fact about the Constant Slim is it comes with this little slip on the back, which you can actually run a belt through. And so you can attach this beautiful little wallet onto any belt you already have from Hermès or anywhere. And you can wear this as a little belt accessory, which again is perfect if you're on the go or you're going to an event where you need your hands free or you need easy access to a few little essentials. So this is a great everyday piece and something that you will just keep forever and you'll get so much use out of. Along a similar vein, I have another beautiful little box here. As you can see here, I have a very, very beautiful Constance to go. This is a Constance to go in Natta Epsom leather with gorgeous gold hardware. The combination of Natta and gold is so beautiful because Natta is an off-white color with a warm, creamy, vanilla-y undertone and complements with yellow gold so beautifully. Constance to go is such an amazing piece because they are so versatile. You can use them as a long wallet. It has all the card holders, coin purse, zippable pockets inside, so it's really practical to use as a wallet. But it also comes with a matching strap, which can be worn crossbody, on one shoulder as a long bag, like a wallet on chain type of bag. And also you can even double that strap twice so that you can even wear this as a little shoulder bag. So the uses truly are endless. One day you can use it as your wallet, and then the next day you're just running out the house. You don't need the whole bag, so you can just grab this, grab the crossbody strap, and you're ready to go. So here's the inside as well. It's so practical. You've got plenty of card holders. You've got a slip pocket in the back for any cash. You've got a zippable coin purse, as well as these two great sections in the front. And there's another slip pocket in the back here for any business cards or anything really. So all in all, it's beautiful, it's versatile, it's practical. It's a 10 out of 10. And finally, I have one more box to show you, and it's one I've been very excited to show you. It's actually very high on my personal wish list, although we don't need to talk about that. And this is a very special and surprisingly very, very hard to find bag. Here we have the most beautiful Birkin 30. Wow, this is the most gorgeous black Birkin 30 in Togo leather with rose gold hardware. Surprisingly rare color combination. These don't come around very often, and black Birkin 30s are always in demand. They sell very, very quickly here at Bagista, and especially with the ultra rare rose gold hardware, making this a stunning, perfect everyday bag, but a little bit elevated from your regular Birkin 30. If you are someone who wears rose gold jewelry, this is the perfect everyday bag for you. Birkin 30 is a very practical size. It fits a lot and it sits very comfortably in the crook of your arm over any kind of coat. Also, this is such stunning leather, and the rose gold against the black really pops and adds a lot of elegance to the bag. Of course, you can also mix your metals. If you wear silver or gold jewelry, rose gold also sits beautifully against these colors too. And honestly, I think this bag would look stunning on every single person. I don't think there's anyone in the world that wouldn't look beautiful with this bag. Rose gold suits all skin tones, and obviously it's a black bag. It's gonna go with literally everything in your wardrobe. You seriously just can't go wrong. Thank you so much for watching this ultra epic Hermès unboxing. I've absolutely loved showing you all these incredible pieces. If anything has caught your eye, you know where to go. Message us on Instagram or visit in-store or online at Bagista. Our personal shoppers are ready and waiting to help you find your dream bag here at Bagista. Enjoy your day. Bye.